village to direct, to give information on how to move out of your domestic violence.
I mean, I can feel it. The synergy. Oh my goodness. If you all were up here, it's not the lights, folks. No. And I'm not having, any of the hot spells. No, none of that. It's getting hot up here on this side. So why don't we start with you, madam? And as we'll talk about your role, and then we'll get to your husband.
God bless your son. My name is Mother Stella, and I am so excited about this show. This production will change the life. One, because when you know God, you got the answer right there. And see, the whole idea behind Bound and Gag is to show you where you can be bound and you can be gagged, but there is a solution. And the solution, you gotta come and see.
Wow. And you have this powerful husband right there to help guide you and give you some information. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your role?
Well, what I do, I just come back and I solidify everything that she said. And I like to give a little bit of encouragement in the song. I like to give that. One of the songs that we sing on the playlist is made popular by Mr. Donnie McClurkin. And one of the parts that I love so much, it goes out. Through the storm, and through the rain, through the hurt, all the pain. Don't you don't you be, don't give up.
Don't give up.
No, don't give in. So we're gonna get
Now, folks, I want you to understand one thing. We did not pre-rehearse this part. That just fell into place. That was not pre-rehearsed. It just happened in real time. But it's amazing how the synergy and the energy from positive vibes, even though we're talking about a negative situation like domestic violence, can propel itself into the natural pieces of work. And that's exactly what just happened here. We did not pre-plan this. It happened. Those type of things happen on the Rolling Grimes Not Just Sports Entertainment Show. I'm not just saying this for today. This is how we do it, folks. You need to get out and see this play. You need to go online and buy your tickets right now in real time. Can we tell them again? We need to buy tickets.
You can buy tickets by visiting my website, www.ShannonWren.com, or by visiting the ARC website, which is www.thearcdc.org.
Now, if you're able to connect with Shannon, you have a number for her?
Yes,